Hey coders, my name is Ben, and I am the founder and CEO of Holoscribe. We are a software development company, which is a fancy way of saying we create pretty cool websites. If you're watching this video, it might be because your parents or teacher told you to, or it might be because you've got an interest in coding, or whatever the reason. This video is going to talk about what to expect in the upcoming weeks as we teach you the basics of coding, what sort of topics we're going to cover, how we're going to deliver it, and at the end, what sort of skills you might actually have. But let's start at the beginning. What is coding? Coding is what makes it possible for us to be able to create software, apps, and websites. The web browser you're probably viewing this in, the operating system that's on your device and controlling everything that's there, the apps and games that you play, the websites you visit, even your TVs. All of it is run by software that's been created by coding. I want to show you an example, something that my company, Holoscribe, has done just recently. Now, what we're looking at here is some code. To be more specific, it's actually some HTML code, the type of code we're going to be looking at in the coming weeks. We have a team of about 20 web developers around the world who do code like this and other languages like CSS, which we're also going to learn. And using this code, we build websites like this that we did with Tottenham Hotspurs and one of their sponsors, AIA. We were able to build this page that allows users to explore a 360-degree scene by clicking and dragging around, interact with videos and image galleries, even navigate through to other scenes, all via their web browser. This was done using HTML, CSS, and other code languages like what we're going to be looking at in the coming weeks. So how's it going to work? This initial course has two parts. An introduction to HTML, which is what you need to add the core building blocks to any website. We're also going to look at how to style that website through an introduction to CSS. Following this course, you'll be able to then move on to areas like getting started with JavaScript. The way that the course will be delivered is that each week your teacher will give you a 30-minute video to watch, a bit like this one, but where we talk about the upcoming topics that you're going to be working on, showing you some real-life examples, as well as answering any questions that your teacher has helped us collect from you in the previous week. After you watch the 30-minute video, you're then going to be asked to spend around about 15 or 20 minutes per day going through some self-paced coding lessons on Codecademy. We're going to show you how to set up your Codecademy account later on in this video. As mentioned, in these initial 6 weeks, we're going to be covering two coding languages, HTML and CSS. And the types of things we're going to learn are just the basics around these two things. But by the end of it, you're going to be able to build a very basic website and also be able to apply some basic styling like colors, backgrounds, different fonts, different layouts. Have a page built from scratch by you that you can show to your teachers, your parents, and your friends. So what are the next steps to get going? Well, the first thing to do is you have to create a Codecademy account. Now, what I'm about to show you, you need to get an adult to help you come and set up this account using their own email address. Let's take a look at that now. So what you need to do is head across to the Codecademy website by typing in the link that your teacher will provide, or just search Codecademy in Google. Once you arrive on the page, get your adult helper to enter their email address and create a safe password and click Start Coding. You'll then be asked if you want to upgrade to the Pro account, but for all these lessons, we can do everything we need to do using the basic account, which is free. So click that to continue. Next, the Codecademy website will try and help you find something to learn. Feel free to explore this if you like. Otherwise, you can click in the top right to go to Catalog, which is where you can see all the Codecademy courses that are available. Now that you've got your Codecademy account all set up, each week, your teacher will be delivering to you your video lesson, which is where We here at Holoscribe will be taking you through the basics of what you'll be learning on Codecademy that week. You'll then be given direct links of the courses on Codecademy that you'll be able to click on and go into Codecademy to start the lessons for that week. As you go through, if you get stuck or if you have any problems, send the questions to your teacher and we'll either try to help where we can throughout the week, or at the very least in the next video, we'll make sure we address the questions that you have. We really hope that you find these lessons on Codecademy enjoyable as you begin to learn the basic for building your very own website. We look forward to hearing from you as we go.